All right, Brian, stay on with me. Now, the NEET UG re-examination candidate Abdullah Mohammad Talib has now reached his examination center in Nagpur. The family of a NEET aspirant, Abdullah Mohammad Talib, claimed that he was allocated a school in Abu Dhabi as his exam center. However, the NTA later changed his center to Nagpur and clarified that it was not a technical glitch, but rather a manual change of centers from the applicant's official ID. Let's listen in to what his father has said.
बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं हो रहा था उसको रात भर से उल्टियाँ हो रही थी नर्वसनेस बहुत ज़्यादा थी उसमें सुबह भी वो 10 बजे के आसपास उठा कोई रिवीजन वगैरह उसने किया नहीं और फिर नहा धो के रेडी होके अब वो आ गया नाश्ता भी नहीं किया उसने उसको एंडोम वगैरह टैबलेट मेडिसिन दिया मैंने कॉन्फिडेंस तो क्या 50% समझ लीजिए आप तो हमारे कन्विंस करने की वजह से वो ज़बरदस्ती बैठ रहा है एग्ज़ाम में अच्छा बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है लेकिन उसकी पढ़ाई पूरी हुई है एक बार एग्ज़ाम में वो लिखना शुरू कर देगा पेपर में तो फिर धीरे धीरे वो नॉर्मल.
All right, I want to go back to Prakhar Jain, who's joining me from Bhopal. Prakhar, of course, we're talking about the arrangements and all of what's happening, but the mood on the ground is also important because this is a very stressful time for the students. They're reappearing, and we can only imagine what they're going through considering all of what has happened, the sequence of events through these past weeks. What are you gathering from the parents and the children and the students?
Yeah, so of course, we have been talking to students and parents since morning. There are mixed reactions from both the sides. Some students who were not confident of getting a good rank in the first attempt, they are more optimistic. But some students who were very confident on themselves in the first attempt, they seems to be somewhat disappointed with what had happened 2 months back. There are reactions which we have a few moments back we have captured on NewsX exclusively. So we have on the ground we have been capturing visuals like students and parents getting emotional. They are also in the last moment when they are entering the exam center, they are getting tears in their eyes. So this is very clearly evident that what they are going through in these whole 2 months and more since the first NEET exam paper got leaked and second NEET exam, that is re-NEET, is being conducted today. We have interacted with some students. They were appealing from government. Some parents were also appealing that please make some leak-proof system so that their future can be saved. Their future can be saved from being compromised. If this leak would not be reported back and re-NEET test would not be announced, then they are saying like this that if this re-NEET exam was not announced, their future was at stake. So there are mixed feelings from this re-NEET exam. Some are saying that re-NEET exam will improve their ranks. Some are getting emotional. So these are the mixed feelings from the ground. We have been witnessing from across the exam centers in the state capital Bhopal. Same reactions we are getting from everywhere. Parents are urging, parents are demanding government to make some leak-proof system for the future NEET aspirants and future other competitive exams, aspirant, be it UPSC or other exams. They are urging for a leak-proof system in every exam, every competitive exam in which future of the young generation is at stake for that matter. Over to you, Vaishali.
And with that, viewers, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back on the other side with a lot more. Stay with us.